friends, welcome to Creating with Jovi and to 100 Days of Pockets. Today is day 76, and in collaboration with Cindy A. Lewis, I have created this fun masterboard file folder with tab pocket. And you'll notice a little interesting thing is the shape of my tab. It was a traditional shape, but I went ahead and I adhered one of these flower-shaped punches onto it. And so I got this shape, and I think that ended up pretty cute. I ended up putting some jute on it, some stickers, book page, graph paper, all kinds of goodies. Oh, this was stiffened fabric, all kinds of goodies. So come along and let me show you how I made this. If you'd like instructions on how to make all of these pockets, you can go ahead to my description box and you will see a link to Cindy's Ko-Fi shop where she has a booklet available for you with instructions for all of the pockets. Today, friends, you're going to need a file folder or some cardstock, or you could have something like what I have, which is this little mini file folder that I cut out using scrap paper, and I used my Cricut. Or I know some of you have the dies, so you could always do that as well. You also want decorative paper, scissors or a tab punch, glue or tape, ink, and embellishments. Mine already has a tab, so I don't need to worry about that, and it's a good thing because I don't have a tab punch. So this is going to work out great for me. If you are using a file folder, you want to cut a rectangle and keep your tab section intact. Now we're going to take our file folder and we're going to go ahead and turn it into a masterboard. We're going to have a mini masterboard here. Usually I use my scrap paper to create a masterboard, but you can use anything you want, okay, my friends? I am just going to go ahead and start tearing and putting this together. And I think since I'm going to go with a fall theme, I'm probably going to need to do the inside as well as the outside. And that shouldn't be too hard because look, that fits on there pretty darn good, and it gives it that nice fall color there because this paper is vintage and it's aged, so that's going to work out great. I am going to add some black ink around the edges. I think on the front I'm going to put this cute Happy Halloween right here. I just think it works, so that is what I'm going to do here. Now since there's a little bit of trim right there, I am going to definitely add some glue. And I think because it is trim, I'll go ahead and do Fabri-Tac. Okay, my friends, here it is. This is the masterboard file folder with tab pocket, and this is for day 76. This is the front, so a tag can fit right inside here. And like I said, that's the front. Here is the back. I think it looks so cute on both sides, and you honestly wouldn't know that it was this teal colored blue little mini file folder that we started with. I added the jute. I think that adds a nice 3D element, and it just is super cute, super fun. I know that this is not the size tag that I'd want to put in here, but I did want to I did want to just show you that there was a pocket there. I wonder if this would fit in. Oh, this one's a little too tall. But at any rate, I will make a tag that can go in here. I hope you like it, my friends. Please check out Cindy's channel today. See what she's coming up with. Thanks for watching. See you soon.